Good morning, Jesse. I'm going to go through a rundown here for you of attaching that 4x4 post to the 4x6 beam. And I'm going to run through all the parts, or actually the tools that you'll need first. So the first thing that we need is a 7/16 drill bit. So you're going to have a 7/16 drill bit along with a 3/8 drill bit. Next tool will be a 3/16 Allen wrench. A T-handle would work great, but if you just have this, that's fine. A 13 mil wrench seems to be working the best on the inside nut. You'll also need a countersunk bit, which I think we sent to you, but you'll need a countersunk bit. This one happens to be a 5/8. I'm not going in all the way, obviously, because it's a 5/8. And then you'll also need a ratchet with a 9/16 socket on it. This is a pass-through ratchet, but you don't need it. Just a standard low profile 9/16 will work perfect. You'll need a set of spring clamps, one set of bar clamp, wide enough to go 4 inches, so it doesn't have to be one this size. You can do a smaller one. And then I have, of course, a drill for all that. The next thing, have some painter's tape with you. Blue or green, doesn't matter, just some painter's tape. We're using that to protect the jigs from scratching the material. So you'll see after I use it, it does leave a little bit of fine shavings on here that you kind of need to clean off before you use it the next time. This one happens to be for the 4 holes in the beam, in the bottom of the beam. I'll show you how to use that one. And then this is the one that we're using to actually connect or get me the 4 holes in the top of the post. So we're going to wrap through this. I've got 2 small pieces. I know that you're dealing with something a lot larger, but I'll go through some of those contemplations or things to think of when you're doing that. So this is my 4x4 post, and here's my 4x6 piece here. So I'm going to stop here, and then I'll get everything set up, and we'll start up again.